If you don't like arguing about tractors but still want to know who's king of the field, then stick around for the real dirt. We're ranking the top tractor brands every farmer should know. First up, John Deere. Yeah, the green machines. Known for reliability, easy parts, and that classic nothing runs like a Deere vibe. Next, we've got Case IH. They're all about power and innovation, plus their tractors look sharp and red. Then there's New Holland, famous for versatility and user-friendly tech, perfect for tackling any job. Don't sleep on Kubota either. These orange workhorses are compact, efficient, and wallet-friendly. And for those who like a little luxury with their horsepower, check out Massey Ferguson. Smooth rides with serious muscle. So, whether you're plowing, planting, or just joyriding across the pasture, these brands have got you covered. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments.